Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we're going to take a nice drive and we're going to fly over another canal. This is going to be a quick flight. I had the Mini 4 in my car, so I thought it was a good idea to get that drone up in the air and get some nice shots. Let's do this. All right, let's make sure no one is on the path. And we'll take off and take a look around here. Here we go. I really love this place. Check out all the motorcycles. Here we go. But before we just want to take a small detour here, I want to show you guys there's a few horses just grazing in this field. I saw them on the way in. There they are. It's mostly farmland around this area, but this road goes all the way down the side of the canal. This canal is no longer in use. On the left side, we could see the road stretching along the side of the canal, and then on the right side there's a path. It's a trail that you could use to either bicycle, jog, run, or walk. There's the mighty St. Lawrence River. And just like the left side, we've got more farms on the right side, and there's another road that runs along the St. Lawrence River. Next time I'm up here, I'm going to maybe go further down and take another flight. There should be some more locks up there near the end. It's a beautiful location. Now in the past I've flown in different sections of this canal, the same canal. And it's beautiful in any section that you manage to, stop. It's fantastic. But on this trip, I wasn't planning to do any flying. The goal was to take a nice walk along the trail. but I always like to have one of my drones with me just in case. And it turns out that I'm lucky I brought it with me, because now you guys get to see this too. There was wind when I checked the air data. There was wind reported. It's nice and quiet here. And everything looks green. It's just a beautiful place to, you know, chill, relax, you know. Let's fly over this here. We can see a speedboat there in the St. Lawrence River. I'll tell you, the water looks inviting. We're starting to lose some of our signal, and that's because, you know, we're surrounded by trees and forest, and the reception is getting weak. We're getting blocked basically from these trees. Let's return to home right now. I'll let it come in on I'll let it come in automatically. I'll just pitch the gimbal down a bit. There's some nice homes in this area, but I'm not sure if I want it to be surrounded by water like that. It's almost right above us here. Oh, it's starting its descent. So I'm not touching the sticks. Let's see how close it will land where we took off. Hopefully it won't hit any trees, but it looks good. There we are. And we're back. Anyways, thanks for joining me, and please don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed and you like the content that you see, subscribe, give us a like, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more content like this. See you on the next one.